100.
Right.
I didn't fully know. I got an answer, but I'm not sure if it's
Okay, let's see. In A-level exams, you try and get some marks.
yeah.
Do something to get some marks. It's giving us the diagram shows sketch of a field in the shape of a triangle. So you have a triangle. The first thing is have confidence of a triangle. That a triangle has how many sides?
3.
3 sides. And how many angles?
3.
3. So you're either looking for an angle or a side. So that's what we're looking for.
Can't hear you. I can't hear you.
So what did you get AB to be?
50.
50, correct. And then what did you get? Which one did they give us? AC. What did you get AC?
72.1.
Okay, we can leave it as a cert
Oh, okay.
because you don't want decimal yet. 5,000. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Now, how do we find BC? How do you find BC if you have those? Right. Let me show you in terms of vectors. BC is the same as, to go from, let's make them as towns. Let's say B is, tell me a town that begins with B.
Bristol.
Yes, Bristol. Yes, Bristol is a nice city. Another one that begins with an A. It could be outside UK. Okay, let's say Amersham.
Okay.
Any place that begins with a C.
Cardiff.
Oh, God, you think you say like me? I know Cardiff. So you want to go from Bristol to Cardiff. Can you see that you want to go from Bristol to Cardiff on the diagram there? How do you go from Bristol to Cardiff? That's what you ask yourself. So you can go from Bristol, because you don't know Bristol to Cardiff, you can say you want to go from Bristol to Amersham first, which is BA. Bristol to Amersham is BA, and then Amersham to Cardiff. Does that make sense?
But is it not minus?
Amersham.
Oh, BA is minus AB.
So you're going BA. Yes, it's minus AB. So what you would do now is whatever you had for this one, it would be minus bracket 30 plus 40J, because that was BA is minus AB plus AC. AC is 40I minus 60J. Now you put the minus together. Minus 30 plus 40. What would that give you?
10I.
And then the next one, minus 40 minus 60.
Minus 100J.
And that's what BC is. Now you can find the magnitude of BC.
Is it 100.5?
Pardon?
100.5?
Yes, 100.5, which is 10 squared, 100.5. That's what BC is. So you know 100.5. And that's it for part A. To find, what was it? It says find BC. So BC is 10I minus 100J. That's what you wrote. That's all for BC. That's what we wanted for part A. The vector BC. Find the size of angle BAC. Angle BAC, we need to, BAC is this angle I put there. Let me put it in, just put this black there, that color in green there. No, not that green. So we want to find that yellow angle there. And what do we know?
Do you have to do the cosine?
Yes, you can do the cosine rule. Beautiful. You can use the cosine rule to find the angle. And you know the formula for cosine rule?
B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC.
B squared plus, beautiful, plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. So with this now, it's putting a lot of numbers in the calculator. Now you know the formula. The main thing now is you got the formula, but there's a lot of numbers to put in the calculator, and then that will give you the angle. Now, after you get the angle, let's say you find the angle. I'll write the angle here. I'll just write the answer for the angle. The angle you will get 109.4 degrees. Part C says, how do we find the area? The formula to find area?
Half AB sine C.
Half AB sine C. So A and B would have to be the 50 and the square root of 5,200, and the C is that 109.4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's what you do for those one. And I'll put the numbers here. Half times A is 50 times the other one is square root of 5,200.
Wait, you know A, is it not 100.5?
What do you mean A is 100.5?
Because in the question before, in the part before, cos A was the angle, the yellow angle, so isn't A the opposite side?
Yes, A is now is the inverse to get the angle. So 109 is the angle between that yellow angle there. So that yellow angle is 109.
Oh, okay, yeah, I get it.
So
And then you have to use the sides that are either side of the angle.
yes. And use the
Okay.
cosine rule. Perfect.